Good morning to a beautiful day, day 5. Today is the day. Before I start, happy Mother's Day. Everyone in England, hope all the mothers have a great day. My mother, I love you bits. Lovely to see you this morning. See you on the FaceTime to my daughter in there, having an update on the latest book she's reading. Hope you have an amazing day, and so sorry I can't be there. Miss you loads, wish you were here. So yeah, all the mothers, hope you have a great day. If you're new to the channel, happy to have you here. Please like and subscribe. Give me as much comments as you physically can. We've got a full team in today. We've got lots going on. Today is the big day before the pour tomorrow. So another pour. So we did the basement in, God bloody hell, it feels like forever ago. I'd say it was probably August last year. Then we did this bloody great pour here, which is 110 cubic meters. That was done. Hey, Ford, how are you?
Not bad.
That was done around about November-ish time, maybe a bit early, October time. And then we had the monster roof. That was probably in and around, November, December time. And now we're doing this one here. It feels like I've been doing concrete roofs forever, concrete slabs forever. So anyway, today what we've got to do is, obviously we've been waiting for the jacks to turn up, so we've got to put more support in here. So we have quite a few lengths of 8x3 somewhere. They're going up with the 20 jacks we had delivered yesterday. Donna at Influentials, thank you for finally getting those, it's good. We've got the steel being finished off. I mean, all of it's in, we need to smock all of it, and we also need to tie it into the house a little bit better. But within reason, the steel is nearly where it needs to be. We've got to drill holes all the way through this formwork now, all the way around. And what they do is they put electrical conduit through. So it'll be about 12 inches of conduit going through, and then we use threaded bars with a nut and a washer on the end of it. They slide through, and then the other side there's a nut and a washer goes on there. And then we tighten them to the point where the beam is meant to be 8 inches wide. They'll probably tighten it at the top to around about 7 inches, so that when the concrete pushes and expands, it pushes the beam out slightly. That's got to be done all the way around the whole perimeter. And then they've also got to pull lines underneath to make sure it's jacked up right. So the inside has got to be, let's say it's a 12-foot ceiling, it's got to be sort of 12'3", so that when the weight comes down and pushes, obviously it sags and obviously we get a straight ceiling. What else? They've also got to pull lines from this side of the formwork here. So this is going to be the back of the garage. This is going to be the highest point. They've got to pull lines that way. And they've all got to flow towards that corner, because that is where the drains are going to be, the gutter drains, where the water will come, be caught, come down, and then run out into the road and be taken away. So quite a bit of work to do today, and it's all got to be done before Monday morning, because Monday morning, normally about 9 o'clock, we're going to have a load of concrete trucks turning up and a massive great pump, and we're pumping away. So Groundhog Day is going to be coming to an end, hopefully today. Feels like it's been going on forever, but I'd say 4 or 5 days of pretty much doing the same thing, so not a great deal to report different to you guys. But today's going to be finalising that. So it's going to be finishing off the steel, it's going to be drilling the actual threaded bolts and the conduits, it's going to be installing more jacks and jacking up and putting more wooden support underneath, because there's going to be shed loads of weight going in there. And it's going to be running the flows over to that corner to ensure that the water that does land up being caught up here has somewhere to go and to get away. So and it's Mother's Day, so I can't be around today. So I'm here at the moment, obviously just helping the guys set up, etc. But I'm taking my wife and the children away for a day for a bit of water, sun, and food. So hopefully I'll be returning around about sort of 4 or 5 o'clock, and these guys will be all thumbs up, and we're good to go for tomorrow. So that's the hope that I can actually leave these guys and they can deliver to me what needs to be delivered, so that tomorrow can go as smoothly as possible. So again, help me on the channel, anybody that's on at the moment, certainly people that are new that are watching. And there was a few new comments last night from names I don't recognise, a couple of new subscribers as well. Tyson over there as always. So yeah, it's any new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe down below, because more people that you get to know will also start seeing the channel as well. So if you've now subscribed and you now sort of like and comment, then your people start seeing it as well, and it starts gathering the momentum. This hopefully will go according to plan. Today we can document what we can to ensure that you guys see what we do and what we don't do. You can correct me when I'm going wrong, you can thumbs up where I'm going right. and hopefully other people that are looking to do this can learn from what we're doing. So yeah, from my point of view, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, do a bit of comment, and I'll try and check in a bit later on as and when we know what's going on.